wind, you know? They're so big.
Oh my god! Did you see that?
I'm scared. Oh my god.
Oh my god, what is that?
Why'd you let go? Why'd you let go?
Currently
Jet
at
ski right here.
Robbie's
Jet ski.
jet ski. You could do a lot of other water activities. And we were feeding the tar ponds over there earlier. There's a lot to do here. There's also food, and they have some shops that you can buy like souvenirs. Now they're just sitting and relaxing. Currently at Higgs Beach, and it's 6:35 in the morning. We wanted to try to catch the sunrise, but it's kind of cloudy, so let's see if we can. There's like roosters crowing. No, roosters motherfucking.
Yeah.
Roosters chirping. This is our view, guys. This is our sunrise. It's a little underwhelming, but you know. They're just growing everywhere in the morning.
Water that's not in a glass container, it does not contain alcohol. In 1960, they turned it into the...
We're currently walking to the beach. I'm fifth wheeling again. This is the struggle of a single life. Hey, don't lose it now. Don't lose it.